Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Ghulam Ahmed Sheikh, teacher, Government Boys Middle School, Kurumbura, Zone Rajwar, District of Kwara. Class Middle 7, subject English. Textable question using the poem Ubba bin Adam. Question number 1 first. What did the angel carry in his hands? What was he writing in it? Zani angel Christos, Taske was panen athanmans. What was he writing in it? The angel had a book of gold in his hands. He was writing in it the names of those who loved God. The angel says, Athanmans, Sunsans Kitab. At Kitai Mozos Yakani, Timan Afradan Hunau, Imzan Kudais Piara Marvelous Karan, Iman Kudai to Him Kudaisans, Ebadatis Karan. Question number 2. What did Abu ask the angel? Abu ne angel se kya pucha? Firistas kya bane Abu? Abu asked the angel if his name was among those who loved the God. Open pros Firistas kya meu na chai tat listas mun imzan khudais pyar mohabbat kara daisans ibadat kara daisin ne bandan muz chai meu na. Question number 3. Why did Abu speak in a low voice? Abu ke was good person, but Sharif the Modbar ayas mund awaz ke tasan dimi, harsh ke tasan awaz, good poet ke muntim. Abu speak in a low voice because his heart was full of peace and humility. Tawai was good poet bolan Abu itan, tasan delas muz hamdardi, so oman pasan shari, tasan muz insaniyat khidmat karno jazba itan. That's sincerity. Question number 4. What is a simile? Simile kya gai? Pick out the simile used in line 4. Isn't the poem line 4? That was good simile. Select one. The word says one simile gai. Simile gai comparison. Mauzan is karna. Shona was a nar. Koi saath liyetan. Koi on shak liyetan. Shona itan. Tooth plus koi tooth. It taken shona itan. A simile is a comparison using words. It's a comparison. Asan don cheezes muz iskara mauzan itan. That much is key word kara istimal. Misal es kuch hona itan. Like his father, like his mother. Yeah, as deep as ocean. Yuta sun itan. As white as snow. Ye as kan istimal ye like kan istimal. Yim kya sari simile. Using poem achhe yata. But poem muz isi Ubba bin Adam dishmishim. Poeten after istimal karmas. Line for us kus poem istimal karmas immediately. Kus simile karmas istimal. The simile used in line 4 is like a lily in bloom. Lily is flower of now eaten. The one yasozan to say it can zan lily shasan bloom slagan the polish lagan posh curious. Question number 5. What do you understand by a great awakening light? In great awakening light, in kya understand kuro? In maine kya hota kya samjho aate hain? Great awakening light means that the angel was surrounded with such bright light that Abu woke up with a strong firm sleep. Great awakening light, aksu tez ak light, nuruni light, akhitan yim saitan fatafat go Abu hushar nindre mans. Question number 6. Write true or false against each statement. Actually, so or 5 statement in between. A much use on sahi hai stat likh to true. Agar gahan galat hai stat likh false magar se karon se rectify so karon pa theek. Number 1. The room of Ubba bin Adam is made beautiful by sunlight. Use the Ubba bin Adam sun kamros so but khubsurut. The sajan markim se aftab ki gash se. Use galat. Ke so zan gash se to sham kya mutsayitan. False. Beside current here, it is made beautiful by moonlight. Go use sunlight is beautiful key, moonlight. The room of Abu is compared with the blushing rose. Using Ubba bin Admas on Camrose. Yes, I carry a Mauzan, Katsatan, blushing rose, Gulab said is a Katashbi. You go palace, Bilki Katsatos, Lily city. It is compared with Lily. C part. The angel wrote the names of those whom loved the most, whom God loved the most. They want the angel wrote the names of those whom Lord loved the most. Usually, Shaitan did you know, you must not Kudai, you Kudai Zata to sit. Ye be palace. Actually, was in the Lechatin now, the angel wrote the names of those who loved the Lord. You was Lechatin now, Yimzan, you Kudai use Karan Kosh. Depart. The names of Ubu appeared at the bottom. Ubu Suna was at least a smooth bottom, go side, could pass side, could bone. Ye palace, which of the name of Ubu appeared at the top, you side at the top, broad. Ubu bin Adam was sleeping when the angel came to his room. Ubu bin Adam was so shingy, the angel in his cameras, you says Cathy, you the wedding smooth for reason, you go true, then will you not him true. You see, Ubu bin Adam, the pipe is the appointment like a spirit, but you say, as Zatan, we can be textable questioners. Use question number share to our false state to make the lecture. Agri Malatis, Pons Pergiscam, be Malati Caro, the Pazim Kalasman Toy the Tolum, the Penny Deribon Yakan, hurt modern case COVID-19 Gabos, but Katra, you should tell you what, that is up to date.